The Tesla 4680 battery is going to decimate the competition and actually change how electric vehicles are made. Elon Musk has boasted about his innovations in the EV market before, but this time, the revolution in battery technology that Tesla has been working on comes as a shocker to the entire industry. The 4680 battery happens to be 5 times more powerful than anything else available in the market, cheaper to produce, and is soon going to be integrated into Tesla's most ambitious projects. But what makes the 4680 such a game changer, and why is it leaving the competition scrambling to catch up? How Tesla's 4680 is poised to crush all competitions and define the future of energy and transportation. After years of perfecting the 4680 battery behind the scenes, Tesla is now ready to change the game. Named for its dimensions, 46mm in diameter and 80mm in height, the 4680 constitutes a quantum leap forward in battery technology. The Tesla engineers realized that now was the time to rethink some of the traditional ways of designing batteries, trying to solve some of the major pain points in EV batteries: cost, range, performance, and charging speed. While much bigger cells are used, Tesla's new design incorporates state-of-the-art innovation, such as a tabless design, which makes this battery much more efficient and powerful, but at a much lower cost in production. This battery is no incremental improvement, it's a complete gutting. The 4680 offers 5 times the energy capacity of previous Tesla batteries, but is produced with fewer raw materials. That, in turn, means more power for less cost, a win for Tesla and the customers. Already, Tesla is making 886,000 of these cells in a week in the Texas Gigafactory, enough to power 1,000 Model Y vehicles, each with a 75-kilowatt battery pack. The 4680 battery is a game changer not only for the future of Tesla, but also for the entire EV industry. The 4680 has 5 times the capacity of Tesla's previous batteries. The increased energy density allows for a longer range and better energy use. More miles per charge means you will spend less time quivering over the lack of a charging station, which hits one of the biggest concerns an EV buyers face: range anxiety. One of the genius things about 4680 architecture is the lack of raw materials it requires to make it. Traditional batteries require oodles of imperative material resources like cobalt, nickel, and lithium, all quite expensive and very hard to source using sustainable methods. The 4680 reduces the requirement for such materials drastically, a factor that ensures Tesla makes more, faster, and cheaper. The tabless design is another important votary housed in 4680 format, which reduces electrical resistance and thus permits faster charging. This change in structure makes the whole production process much easier and inexpensive at the same time, assuring better performance. These innovations have kept Tesla way ahead of the competition. Traditional automakers, in their mad dash to try and keep pace, are nowhere near creating the level of efficiency, capacity, or cost-effectiveness in a battery. Tesla has long been an industry leader in stretching the boundaries of what's possible in the EV space, but the 4680 battery is a warhorse of another color that will set the standard for competition that simply can't be met, at least not anytime soon. While increasing battery capacity, Tesla prepares for massive price slashes across the board after reducing the cost of production. This is where the real threat to other automakers lies. With the ramp-up in production, economies of scale will kick in, and this 4680 battery will be cheaper than any competitor's offerings. Elon Musk himself has called for Tesla to make EVs for all. Musk said that before the year is out, the 4680 could be cheaper than the nickel-based batteries Tesla buys from suppliers. When that happens, Tesla will be able to offer affordable vehicles without sacrificing range or performance. For the competition, that means falling behind quickly, especially for those companies wedded to more expensive, less efficient battery tech. Speaking of which, the Tesla 4680 battery powers not just that lineup of current cars, but it's actually the key to unlocking some of the most ambitious projects that Tesla is going to unveil, like the highly awaited Cybertruck. It's currently making 126,000 4680 cells a day, roughly 2,800 Cybertrucks a month. Tesla is already banking cells ahead of time in advance of the big rollout when Cybertruck production gets rolling. And since the 4680 is so much cheaper to make, the Cybertruck will be way cheaper than anyone thought, making it a legitimate contender for mass market sales. But the 4680 doesn't stop with the Cybertruck. Tesla is also expanding its battery production at its Nevada Gigafactory with a target of an amazing 100 gigawatts of annual capacity. That would let Tesla scale even faster to millions of EVs at lower cost with better range and performance than any competitor can offer. It's not just a revolution for EVs, it's a revolution for energy storage. Tesla has long set its sights on energy solutions beyond cars, and the 4680 battery is part of that vision. Tesla's energy storage products, including Powerwall and Megapack, already play a vital role in systems around the world as renewable sources of energy such as solar and wind become increasingly common. Efficient and scalable energy storage solutions become increasingly important. The higher the capacity and lower cost of the 4680 make it perfect for big energy storage systems that will enable Tesla to scale up its energy business much faster. In the not-so-distant future, the 4680 will be powering homes, businesses, and whole cities. Tesla has already been in the process of installing monster energy storage facilities in states like California and even in Australia, and with the 4680, these projects will become much more economical and more widespread. Thus, Tesla positions itself as not just a leading electric vehicle manufacturer, but as a global energy powerhouse. But what's even more impressive is the scale at which Tesla is ramping up the 4680. In only 6 months, the company has produced more than 50 million cells, and that will continue to rise. Presently, Tesla is operating one production line effectively, though plans are in place to add 4 more lines by the third quarter of this year. By the end of the year, Tesla could be churning out tens of millions of 4680 batteries every month. With these numbers, it goes to say that Tesla isn't just looking to hold its position in the EV market, Tesla's looking to dominate the space. This enormous production capability is one of the most critical advantages Tesla has over its competitors. While other automakers are still trying to determine how they would produce high-performance batteries on a large scale, Tesla was miles ahead with both infrastructure and expertise to manufacture millions of cells much more inexpensively. Thus far, one thing that Elon Musk has made crystal clear is that the 4680 battery really did make truly affordable electric vehicles possible. Up until now, one of the main roadblocks of EV adoption had been cost. The 4680 solves that problem, though, by cutting production costs without loss in performance. Tesla works on the Model 2, which is one of the most affordable EVs in the market. 4680 will play an essential role in bringing that car to the market with a range and performance way beyond its price point. Musk wants to see everyone in an electric car, he says, and 4680 is the technology to take us there. But Tesla's not only looking to build cheaper cars, but also build much better cars. With 4680's fast charging capability, higher range, and higher performance, the future Tesla vehicles are going to be better in all ways without that huge price tag. This really just makes Tesla's lineup more competitive and really hard to resist for people seeking the best value in the market. The Tesla 4680 battery is a change in how we visualize electric vehicles, energy storage, and the future of sustainable technology. As Elon Musk himself has stated, the 4680 will crush the competition, and with its remarkably superior capacity, cost efficiency, and scalability, one would be hard-pressed to argue against that.